Okay, so now I will show you how to create AI podcast ya. Podcast video using AI. I will use ChatGPT, text to speech, and talking avatar AI. So you can uh, register to the talking avatar and install the software. You can click the link I provide in the video description. Okay. Okay, so this is the result of the video.
Welcome back to Politics Unfiltered, the podcast where we break down the messy world of politics without all the fluff. I'm Jason.
And I'm Ellie. Today we're diving into one of the most debated economic strategies of the last few years, U.S. tariffs on China. Are they working? Are they hurting us more than them? What's the real deal?
Yeah, and honestly, it's one of those topics where the more you dig, the more complicated.
Okay, so that is the result. Now let's do the creation ya. So we need to install Audio TTS Chrome extension. So this is the Chrome extension page. We need to add to Chrome, add extension, and boom, it is done. And we need to scroll down a bit and open this Google text to speech website ya. Okay, after that I will try to search some news from Google. Okay, so I think I would like to make this podcast for this news ya. Okay, I will read this and give it to the chat GPT. Intense podcast dialogue. For use. Okay. Okay, I prefer this response. I will copy this into the Google text to speech ya. So I will modify and remove extra information like this. This is not related to the dialogue. I remove also. Okay, so also we need to change this ya into the voice ya. RS. So for male we can use T, for female we can use R. T, R, T, R, T, R, T, R, and remove the blank line. Okay, then we need to select default audio device profile, and the language should be English United States. Okay, after that I will remove this and pick it. Resolve the captcha ya.
Hey Sally, did you catch that article about Trump's plan to shut down the Department of Education?
Yeah, I saw that. It's pretty wild. I mean, the department's been around since 1979, right?
Exactly. And now he's talking about dismantling it.
I read that he believes education should be more localized, giving power back to the states. But what happens to federal funding?
That's a big concern. Many schools rely on federal funds, especially those in low-income areas. Without that support, they could struggle.
And what about programs that ensure equal access? The department plays a role in upholding civil rights in education.
Okay, that is okay. I will download the audio and then open the application. So you need to click the link I provide in the video description to register to the Talking Avatar ya. So simply click the link on the video description to subscribe and register to this Talking Avatar ya. Make sure you only click on the link in the video description. So it would be a video avatars. We need to choose two single person video like this, and then because the first conversation is male, so I need to put this into this and this into this. Okay, so if you want to change the avatar, you can browse in the avatar library or import your own video ya. So you can use the library or yes, you can import your own video. Okay, next step is to copy the audio or import the audio into the application. Okay, we can add to the timeline. So the first voice is male, so we need to change this like this and like this. We can preview the voice.
Hey Sally, did you catch that article about Trump's plan to shut down the Department of Education?
Yeah, I saw that. It's pretty wild.
Okay, that is okay. Now we need to generate the video. It will take around 30 minutes in my computer, and it will require 5 credit. So the video result doesn't have a watermark ya. Okay, I think I need to pause this video recording and get back after the progress is done ya. Okay, now the generation is complete. We'll see the result.
Hey Sally, did you catch that article about Trump's plan to shut down the Department of Education?
Yeah, I saw that. It's pretty wild. I mean, the department's been around since 1979, right?
Exactly. And now he's talking about dismantling it.
I read that he believes education should be more localized, giving power back to the states. But what happens to federal funding?
That's a big concern. Many schools rely on federal funds, especially those in low-income areas. Without that support, they could struggle.
And what about programs that ensure equal access? The department plays a role in upholding civil rights in education.
Right. There's a fear that dismantling it could lead to inconsistencies across states. Some might not prioritize these protections.
It's also worth noting that the department oversees student loans. If it's gone, who manages that?
Good point. There are so many layers to this decision. It's not just about shifting control. It's about ensuring that all students receive quality education.
Absolutely. This move could have far-reaching implications. It's something we all need to pay attention to.
Okay, so I provide all the link to these resources, the Talking Avatar, Audio TTS, ChatGPT. So please check all the link in the video description. If you have question, don't forget to post it in the comment section. Also like this video, and goodbye.